live on a different planet. This is a possibility, and the destination, exoplanet K218b. After this speech, you will know why the location and conditions on this exoplanet make it favorable for extraterrestrial habitability and what further research needs to be done. This story is important for humans because we've been searching for life for a long time, and I've been keeping up on this story using reliable news sources. This story is in the news because scientists believe this exoplanet may harbor extraterrestrial life, but a fact-checking analysis of major news outlets show that some outlets may be overstating these results. The first part to understanding this issue is to understand the topic itself. Exoplanet K218b has risen to prominence due to water vapor found in its atmosphere, which makes it have a hope for extraterrestrial life. Catherine Wu and Nova says that this exoplanet was discovered in 2015, and further research since then has been into its atmosphere and composition. Jake Parks and Discover says that this exoplanet is located in the constellation Leo, 111 light-years away, and it has a diameter that's 2 times that of Earth and a mass that's 8 times that of Earth's. Michael Greshko in National Geographic says that this planet is located in its star's habitable zone, which is a zone where liquid water is possible, which leads to a further study of its atmosphere and composition. To do this, scientists aimed the Hubble Space Telescope at the planet and found that it does indeed have water vapor in its atmosphere and a temperature range negative 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 116 degrees Fahrenheit, according to Jake Parks on September 11th. In addition, Catherine Wu and Nova says that this planet may be able to form clouds and even liquid rain. But Michael Greshko in National Geographic says that there needs to be further research done, and scientists are hoping to use the James Webb Space Telescope and the Ariel Space Telescope, which are both in the process of being completed. Although these stories cover the same basic facts, they have differing focuses on the habitability of this planet. Although there's similar coverage, some articles focus more on the scientific side of the coverage, while some focus more on just attracting an audience. Michael Greshko in National Geographic and Catherine Wu in Nova both focus more on the audience attention. By their word choice, Catherine Wu in Nova says that this week astronomers announced a new hope for extraterrestrial habitability, and Michael Greshko in National Geographic called this planet potentially life-friendly and even alien, which shows that they're both focused on the fact that there may be life already on this planet. Jake Parks in Discover, on the other hand, focuses more on the scientific facts when he quotes a scientist saying, "This planet is the best candidate for habitability that we know right now." Although these stories are still based on the same facts because they're based on 2 independent research papers, they do have these differing focuses. Because these stories came out at about the same time, they're based on 2 independent research articles by Benecki et al. And Sarius et al., which came out on September 11th. Benecki et al. In Water Vapor on Habitable Zone Exoplanet K218b says that this planet does indeed have water vapor in its atmosphere, and it represents a milestone in our search for habitable worlds outside of the solar system. He is not, however, saying that life can be found on this planet, as we saw previously, just that it has favorable conditions for habitability, which is an important distinction. Sarius et al. In Water Vapor in the Atmosphere of Habitable Zone 8 Earth Mass Planet K218b says it confirms that there is water vapor in the atmosphere and says that further research will be done into the planetary climate and potential habitability. This shows that he's being very cautious with his words because there's not enough data to support the fact that there could be life on this planet now. Jake Parks in Discover seems to subscribe to this same cautious tone, leading to his unbiased coverage. Because these articles were separate analyses and they yielded the same results, and it's not an inherently political topic, this is some unbiased coverage. National Geographic and Nova are not unreliable due to their focus of habitability, because Sarius et al. On September 11th says that future research will be to confirm or deny life on this planet. Because these articles focus on the truth, they can be seen as reliable news sources. K218b harbors the possibility of life, with some unbiased coverage and some a little bit biased coverage, but they're all based on 2 independent research papers, so these articles are focusing on the truth. K218b is a good candidate for extraterrestrial life, but some of these major news outlets overstate these developments. Further research is needed to confirm or deny the habitability of this planet, but it is an exciting possibility for now.